Greetings from Mount Sizzle.
This is an escargot mushroom dish. Destem the mushroom and hollow it out with a spoon. As college football season approaches, we're always looking for appetizer ideas. Little smokies, rotel dip with sausage, wings, stuffed mushrooms. No, we're not even gonna talk about that. When I go to any cocktail party, if I'm invited, I go straight for the hors d'oeuvres or hors d'oeuvres. Again, this isn't necessarily something I throw out there for, Sunday afternoon football or anything like that. I'm not insinuating that. If you did, I don't know. You're gonna get some questions, and it at least looks. I don't know about that. The best thing about this is you can prepare it beforehand, put it in the refrigerator, and then put it in the oven, and then it should be done by the time you kind of want your guests to leave. Full disclosure, if I were going to do this again, which I will, we'll probably use like Kraft cheese melt. I'm kind of trashy like that. I like Velveeta. I like the whole melt over it. Those little 6 mushroom stuffed things that you can do with your wife or your significant other, your partner. Hopefully there's not like a third person involved, because that's just weird.